Have you ever had a problem with your garage being cluttered, and the biggest problem you've got is bicycles in the road? I had that problem, and now I don't. Very easy, very simple. But before I go into this, big shout out to Dells and Clarkies. They come out and visited me the other day, cheered me right up, and I can't explain how, but they were the ones that kind of gave me the inspiration to do this. Even they'll no understand. So, what have I done? Well, it's quite simple. I'll show you the framing that I put up. So basically these are just two old stands I built originally before, well, you can see it there, before I fitted these side stands, right? I didn't have that on the bike, so there was no place to put the bikes in, so I built these things, right? And now, all I do is, I just pull it out and push it in. It's simple. Right, now I'm not sure if you're going to pick my voice up on this, right? But, so this is in the fixed position, okay? Grab the bottom bar, pull it out, and go, Auntie. I've got my bike now. One thing I noticed there, we've got the crook lock on. That makes sense. Now I can take the bike out. Voila! So there you go, there gives you an idea of the frame. It's just two thick slots. This is actually old decking board. So it's two thick slots of board. There's two sets of frames, as you can see, bolted to the wall. And when I pull the bike out, there you go, it sits on its stand. And to put it back up there again, it's just the reverse. Now I know that my handlebars aren't sitting right, because I'll leave them sitting like that for when I take them away in the motorhome. Also, it's nice and easy to store them like that. As you can see, none's poking out to clout yourself on. And it takes, what, best part of 10 seconds just to slacken the wee screw, turn them, tighten it, Bob's your auntie, you're out to play. And now at the end of the day, I'm going to put my bike away, because it's cold. That's it. And locked. Bob's your auntie. There you go. I'm quite happy with that. Actually, the room that it's gave me in my garage here is unbelievable. Now, ignore the shite that's there, because that's still got to go. But the reason I'm tidying this up is I'm getting ready for the Kawasaki Versys coming on Sunday. Got a lot of preparation to do with that as well. So, believe it or not, this is all going. This is all going. Oh, and see that box there? That's the next video. What is it? Well, go and subscribe to Random Therapy. Hit that ding on the bell button and you'll never miss what I'm up to. You'll like this one. Till the next time, I'll see you.